Alberto. So this is your Facebook page. Looks like you got a few people that follow you and like you. That's good. I was able to find your website as well from there. Going to your website. Looks like you got a lot of content on here, which is nice. Google loves content. You have 999 words, so probably roughly 1,000, obviously. Um, you could check out your competitors. You want to have more content than they do. I believe your competitor has just about as much as you do, so I'd add a little bit more content on there so you beat them, because you don't want to just match them, you want to beat them. Also, saving your images. Yep, you saved them correctly. This is good. Commercial carpet cleaning, San Diego. That's a keyword, and I'm assuming that's a keyword you want to rank for. So that is done correctly there. So that's good. I'm assuming all your images are saved properly, and they are. I mean, you wanted to get that keyword in there twice. So let's see what this one's saved as. Yep. So yeah, you're saving your keywords correctly, or your images correctly. You want to save them with keywords. So that's really nice. Anyways, let's go check out carpet cleaning San Diego. This is ads. These are yet to be verified by Google. They're a little bit less spammy. You get less spammy clicks from them. It's just a little higher quality ad from Google. The other original ads would be right below this. Then you get the Google Map Pack. Coming down here, grabbing this top guy right here, going to his website. It's just this looks like a location page. So this guy probably has carpet cleaning all throughout America, and who knows where else, but I'm guessing he's a nationwide carpet cleaning company. With his content, he's got quite a bit too. He has got 910 words, so I would definitely add at least 500 more, if not 1,000 more. But it's up to you. You don't have to add that much, but you just want to, it's good to beat your competitors and not just match them. Let's see what his images are saved as. He does not have his images saved right, so that helps you. That means that he's not. He has missed opportunity there for him. So since you don't, that's good for you and not as good for him. Going to Ahrefs, that's a cool tool. This is your website. You got 95 backlinks with 16 referring domains. It looks like he started getting them a little bit November 2019. Then it really started picking up in July of 20. But yeah, I mean, you don't have, you could get a lot more. It's not a bad start though. With this DR though of 0, you want to get that up. Basically, you want to make sure you're getting good backlinks, good quality backlinks. So you'd want to get ones that come in with a good UR score that are do follow and not just no follow. But we can go check out your competitor's website. You'll see he has a ton of backlinks, a ton of referring domains. But then again, this guy is he's a nationwide company. If we go check out his location page, it should be quite a bit less, and you actually beat him there. But his DR score, since his company has such a good score, it's boosting these scores, and Google likes this website. It's like it knows it's a legit website. It knows it's not. It knows it's something that it's the people that search are gonna like that website when they land on it. So it's boosting him up because of this and because of how strong, powerful this guy's website is. I mean, obviously you can tell. This guy gets 40,500 traffic a month to all of his pages. So we can come in here and grab the backlinks that we love, because he's going to have some really nice ones in here. This one's nice right here. You notice it's do follow. However, you want to make sure this looks like Humane Society. You want to make sure it's relevant to your industry. So this actually might not be a good one. This looks like it's not relevant to carpet cleaning. Obviously, I can't read what this is. It's Tokyo, so probably just we probably won't do those. But you can come in here and you can find ones that you do really like and grab them. You want to make sure they're relevant to your company because, again, you don't want fast food or something linking back to you. It's not gonna be as powerful. Google's smart and knows what backlinks are good. It knows what ones look spammy. You don't want low numbers. You want higher numbers linking back to you. And we can come in here and check out this guy's keywords. We can also come check out your keywords, see what you are ranking for on your website. And it also tells you where you're at. It looks like you're page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're not. It looks like you're not even on the first page for any of this stuff. But you'll see it's all San Diego, so you do have the keywords in there. It's just not. You don't have enough. Google doesn't. You don't have enough power for Google to bump you up to the first page. Where if we go check this guy, let's type in San Diego to Sandy. Let's type in San. I can't remember how to spell Diego. There it is. Diego. And we can see what backlinks we like here. Carpet cleaning, obviously. San Diego has got 1,400 people searching that a month. That's a very good one to go for. 29 KD, it's going to be hard to get. It's going to be hard to rank on it, but it can be done. It just takes a lot longer, obviously, with the higher KD, and you're going to need a lot more power coming to your page for you to rank with that. But we can come down here and we can find some of the smaller ones like this, 15 KD. Still got 100 searches, 100 volume a month. Cheap carpet cleaning, San Diego, 15 still, still gonna take some time, but you're gonna get that faster than these 30s. But we can still come down here and we can find your list. One's 8, fast dry carpet cleaning, San Diego. Here's Mission. I don't know if that's someone's name or not, so I'd have to check that out. But here we go. Upholstery cleaning, San Diego. 100 people search that a month, 0 KD. You can get that super fast. You can probably get that. You can get that pretty fast, way faster than any of these other ones. It's also this non-toxic one. Is they got 20 people searching out a month with 3 KDs. Are both going to be pretty easy to get. Sofa cleaning, another one. So there's going to be a bunch in here. Furniture cleaning. We could find some gems in here too, because again, there's so many different keywords and people search different things. Furniture cleaning, San Diego. We just come in here and see what's good and grab those keywords and make sure that we have those on our website, and then we want to make your website more powerful with backlinks. Commercial carpet cleaning, San Diego, 20 volume, 2 KD. Again, another good one to go for. Obviously, 20 volume. Would like higher, but that's not. It's not a bad thing to start because it's just easy to grab. Cleaning company, San Diego, 5 KD, 100 volume. That's a pretty good one right there. That's a pretty nice gem. But we can just come in here. We can go check other competitors, find some really good ones, and go after them. Roughly, you get a third of the first possession gets about a third of the traffic from the volume. The next thing is the Google Map Pack. So go in there. Actually, have yours pulled up too. So let's see. You want to make sure you have it 100% filled up. You want to make sure you have photos. Photos is the content for Google Map Pack, and then citations. Tossing in that other guy and you have 37 citations that I found. This other guy has 98. You want to beat that guy, so you'd want to go for 150, 200. You can come in here and grab the citations that he has. It looks like you already know what citations are, but anyways, I just come in here and get a whole bunch more and beat him in the Google Map Pack. And then, there's thousands of them out there. You can go Google for other ones. You don't have to just grab his. There's, thousands to choose from. Some are paid, a lot of them are free. So you just go after the ones you want. Just time consuming, but it's something you can do. But yeah, you're welcome to use those tips however you want. They're yours. If you want, we can set up a video call or a phone call and talk more. If not, it's all up to you. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day.